Welcome to Wizard.com. I am Maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. A water tank has two types of taps, type A and type B. A tap of type A can fill in 22 minutes while a tap of type B can fill the same tank in 11 minutes. If there are 3 type A taps and 4 type B taps that can be used to fill the tank, then an empty tank can be filled in what minutes? So let us write what is given. So type A tap can fill the tank in 22 minutes, which is given to us. Now also type B tap can fill the same tank in 11 minutes. This is also given to us. So from here we can find out that what part of the tank the type A and type B tap can fill in 1 minute. So we can say that in 1 minute type A tap can fill 1/22 part of the tank. So if more number of tap is present, then more part of the tank will be filled. So from here we can also say that in 1 minute if there are 3 such type A tap, so that 3 type A tap will fill what part of the tank, that is 3/22 part of the tank. Now in 1 minute type B tap can fill, we can say that is 1/11th part of the tank, because type B can fill the tank in 11 minutes. So from here we can find out that in 1 minute if there are 4 such type B tap, so if more number of tap will be there, more part of the tank will be filled. So that is 4/11th part of the tank will be filled. Therefore if we combine together these two tap A and type B tap, so in 1 minute we can say that 3 type A and 4 type B tap can fill what part? Let us add this. So 3/22 plus 4/11th part of the tank. So if we take LCM and we solve this, this will be equal to 11/22 part of the tank, which is further equal to half of the tank. So half of the tank is filled in 1 minute by this 3 type A and 4 type B tap. Now let us write it. Therefore we can say that in 1 minute 3 type A and 4 type B tap can fill half of the tank. So we can say that the empty tank which is to be filled can be filled by this 3 type A and 4 type B tap in, let's take reciprocal, so this is 2 minutes. So in 2 minutes the empty tank can be filled if 3 type A and 4 type B tap is present. This is our answer.